Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Maestro, and today we are up against one of the most formidable performance cars ever assembled by human hands. What can the Tuono do? Oh well, as you can see, it's not really that much of a contest. A well-driven, high-performance car in the hands of a great driver with active suspension at 800 horsepower, you just can't keep up with that on any bike.
Hey! What's going on? Did you know it was me?
Yeah. As soon as I said it's Herb, go. I swear to God, I said it's Herb.
Yeah, great. I'm there like, damn. I was trying.
I know. Yeah, you were getting low on there.
I was trying.
All the way.
Ryan, you're fucking doing, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, there was no way I had to let it
That's trying. I don't even want to see doing. I mean, holy shit.
The tires are not the best tires, but...
You're on fucking...
What?
That makes sense. Because you're not on cup twos.
They make cup twos for these things?
Yeah.
Damn.
The cup twos are a lot more grippy, especially the front one.
So can you feel it? Like, are you tires screeching at all?
No, they don't screech. They just push sometimes.
Oh, understeer.
They don't squeal though.
How do you correct that mid-turn? Just let off the gas? These things slow down pretty good.
That's hard to...
Did you see me painting black lines coming out of the corners? You didn't?
I
Surprise.
can stay loose. I don't know. I don't really try and correct it.
Oh,
How long you
that
been
was
riding?
close.
Yeah.
Longer than you're alive.
Probably.
No doubt.
More than 24 years?
Yeah, yeah, a few more. We're like 40.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Where's the Sean at? This is the dude that taught me how to ride.
Really? Oh, fuck yeah. You go to the track at all?
I used to.
Not anymore?
I retired.
Nice.